Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this beautiful pink soft glam makeup look for this festive season. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching, but also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. First, I'm gonna be using this toner as my face mist to hydrate my skin. I'm gonna pat it really nicely into the skin, then I'm gonna let it sit on my skin for 30 seconds or so, and then I will move on to the moisturizer. For my moisturizer, I'm using this Pond's Super Light Gel. It also has hyaluronic acid in it, and I really like it underneath my makeup. This is so affordable but really good. Next step is a primer. Now this one is a really good primer, especially if you have oily skin. It also has a pink tint to it that helps in cancelling out the dullness that you have on your skin, and it helps your makeup to stay on you for a longer period of time. Now I'm using a concealer only on those areas where I have a little bit of darkness and pigmentation. Now this is a really good concealer under budget. It doesn't crack, doesn't crease, and also it looks beautiful on the skin. Now as I'm not using any foundation today, so I'm using a concealer which is very close to my skin tone. Now this concealer is a little bit darker than my skin tone, but after applying the compact powder and other products on top, it looks pretty okay. And now I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend everything out. Next, I'm gonna take my Fit Me compact powder to set the cream products on place so that it doesn't move or doesn't budge throughout the day. And also I'm applying the powder in dabbing motion so that the products underneath doesn't move. Next, I'm going to be taking my beauty blender and spritz some mist on it, and you can also do the same with your setting spray as well. And this is just going to take away all of the powderiness that you have on your skin. It makes your makeup look very natural and your skin looks like skin. Next, I'm going to be taking a brow pencil and just fill in the gaps. This is going to make sure that my brows look structured and filled in. Then to set my brow hairs on place, I'm using a brow mascara. This is a transparent mascara and I love using it as my brow gel. Then I'm gonna use my favorite blush from Maybelline, and guys, I'm not gonna use any contour or bronzer today, so I'm gonna go a little ham with it. Now coming to the eyes, and I'm gonna keep it very nice, soft and mellow with a little hint of sparkle to it. First, I'm using it as my transition shade. Then I'm gonna take this pink shade and I'm mostly concentrating on my crease just to deepen it up a little bit, and also this is gonna give some definition to my eyes. Then taking this brown shade and mostly applying it on the outer corner of my eyes. This is gonna give some dimension to my eyes. Then taking this pink eyeshadow and with the help of my finger, I'm applying it all over my eyelid. Then taking the same brown shadow and applying it on the outer V just to give some dimension to my eyes, and also this is gonna make sure that everything looks very nice and seamless and blended. Then to add some extra oomph to my eyes, I'm using this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. These are my absolutely favorite, and first I'm applying it with my finger. I'm just taking some product on my finger and dabbing it all over my eyelid. Then applying the same eyeshadow with the help of a pencil brush so that it looks like a semi-cut crease. Next, I'm taking my favorite Kajal of all time. This is so long wearing and so black, and I'm gonna tightline my eyes with it. Then I'm gonna take the same brown eyeshadow with the help of a pencil brush. I'm gonna smoke it out. Then applying some more kajal, and you guys know Indian festive makeup look is just incomplete if you don't use enough kajal. I don't know, that's just me. I love applying kajal. Next, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara. And also, festive makeup look is just incomplete if you don't use a highlighter on your face. So today I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow. Then I'm gonna put my earrings on and add a bindi. Then finishing off the makeup look with a beautiful pink lipstick. This is in the shade Cool. I used to use this so much when I wasn't that nude lipstick obsessed, but now I don't use it much, but I love this shade. So yeah, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. It helps me a lot. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.